Hi everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. We are gonna make a granny square. This granny square is designed by me. Also, its name is Gorgeous Motif. I used 4 seasons cotton yarns like Alize cotton gold, yarn art jeans with 3mm hook, and we need also scissors. Let's start. We are gonna start with a magic ring. I wrap my yarn around my finger one time. If you are beginner, I recommend you to wrap twice. And I return one time and insert my hook, one chain. Normally we chain 2 times, but I make always fake double crochet. How I make? Look please. Increase my loop. And then insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, 1, and stop here. I stopped here because we are gonna complete 2 double crochet together like cluster. If I need to complete it, I make this, but I don't need. I need a second half double crochet like this. Pull over, insert my hook, pull over, and here we're gonna complete all of them together, and we need 2 chains. We're gonna repeat 8 times like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the yarn tightly and then 2 chains and insert hook top of the cluster. And I also put this tail on my hook and slip with slip stitch. One chain and pull my loop tightly again, and I finished my first row. Let's start the second row. I start like this. And I'm gonna make my clusters in my 2 chain space, and I start again my fake double crochet like this. Insert my hook, my yarn over, pull through, and stop here, and then repeat same. Insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and complete all of them. And 2 chains. We are gonna make same cluster in same 2 chain space. One, 2, and all of them. 2 chains again. Now the other 2 chain space. Insert my hook, pull through, again, two chains, same space, when we finished, we're gonna have 16 clusters. Repeat same all around. I completed all of them and check. Then 2 chains, insert my hook top of the first cluster and with slip stitch, then 1 chain and cut my yarn. Let's start our row with our new color and also start same. We're gonna make our clusters with 3 double crochet. Third row, 3 double crochet we need. Insert my hook, and also I need hide my tails. 2 chain space, yarn over, pull through and stop here, then same, and then same one more time. We have 4 loops. We are gonna complete them, all of them. And 1, 2, 3 chain. In this row we need 3 chains. Yarn over, insert my hook, one, 2, 3, and all of them. Three chains, yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over and pull through. 3 half double crochet we make, and then all of them. Repeat same all of the round. I made lace cluster with 3 double crochet and chain 3 and insert my hook top of first cluster and slip stitch, then 1 chain and tightly cut my yarn. Now we're gonna start a 4th row. In this row we make our circle turn square. How? Let's start. For the row 4, start first corner. We have 4 corners for make square. Yarn over and insert space, 3 chain space. Now we need long double crochet. If you want, start like this, and if you want, yarn over 2 times and you can make triple crochet, but I want like this 1 time and insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, 1, 2 and 3. One, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. This is the half of my corner. Now I'm gonna make 3 double crochets in 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and then here again we're gonna make corner. We don't need any chains between them. We are gonna make 2 chains only between corner. Three, 1, 2, 3, and last 1. 1, 2, 3, and now you're gonna make corner, and I'm gonna make long double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. And here we need 2 chains, and again long double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now, in this 3 space, we're gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And the other corner, the other long double crochets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 chains. Repeat same all the row. When we come to the end, we make the other 3 long double crochet. Two chains, insert first double crochet, slip stitch in 1 chain, then cut the yarn. Now we finished our square. I hope it was a clear explanation for you. My square is 10 centimeters. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you again in the other videos. Bye.